Are you tired of apps constantly asking, would you like to rate us? It always seems to happen right when you're busy. The good news is, you can turn these pop-ups off completely. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now tap App Store. Scroll down until you see In-app ratings and reviews. Simply turn it off. That's it. From now on, apps can no longer interrupt you asking for ratings and reviews. You'll still be able to leave a review whenever you want. You just won't be constantly interrupted. Here's something most people don't know. Apple limits how often apps can ask you for a rating. But if you use lots of apps, those requests can still become really annoying. Turning this setting off doesn't affect app updates. It doesn't affect downloads. And it doesn't stop you writing reviews later. It simply removes one of the most irritating interruptions on your iPhone. I've had this setting turned off for years, and I honestly forget those pop-ups even exist. It's one of those tiny settings that makes using your iPhone feel much cleaner. Try it today. I think you'll notice the difference almost immediately. Follow for more hidden iPhone tips that actually make life easier.